Okay, this bot is trading. Already, trade is ongoing right now. It's trading, goes outside. Okay, it's trading goes outside and it's on a normal trade. Okay, so far it has done 2 trades. This is the second trade. It's ongoing, trade ongoing. It has already bought. So previously it's been doing. Okay, yesterday it did accumulator. Today, okay, today is doing. Okay, you can see one trade already won. So this trade has been won as well. So that's the second trade. So by the time it does one more trade, that will be the trading session will be over. Okay, with one more trade, trading session will be over. So right now it has done 2 trades so far. So with the third one, trading session will be over, and it's trading with what's the stake? $15. Okay, I'll pause a bit to wait for the last trading session. I need you to observe this. Okay, this rule is very important. If profit is below 6%, it won't trade. Okay, it's not going to trade. Okay, there are times the percentage gets reduced. Once it's below 6%, it's not going to trade. Okay, so once you find out it's below 6%, just stop your bot, move over to accumulator to trade. And if you don't want to stay too if you don't want, for instance, like yesterday, accumulator for almost 5 hours, in fact more than 5 hours, I didn't see any loss. It was just winning, and I was supposed to do what's it called, selected. So I had to switch to normal. So I need you to understand, if you wait for more than 90 minutes trying to do selected signal, okay, like you can see here, this was the first trade. This was when I started it 11 minutes ago, and it has already done 2 trades. Okay, this is the second notification for the trades. So, and if you observe, you've spent almost, let's say, 90 minutes waiting for signal on selected. Okay, normal doesn't take much of your time, but selected means we are going to be selecting the signals we are going to trade. So if you take time, if it takes more than 90 minutes, you have not seen any trading signal, you can switch to normal. What that implies is that for the past 90 minutes, all the signals generated has been positive. They have all been won. Okay, it's only when there is a loss that's when, okay, for instance, now there is an upcoming signal here on this one. Okay, on this second one, this is remember I said on this goes outside, there are 2 signal setups here that your bot is trading. This is one. This one is the Hardy Beer bull market signal, while this one is from the home page of my signal, the very first home page of my signal for goes outside. Okay, it's not plenteous of a signal, but whenever they come, they are always very good. Okay, so these are the 2 signals I'm actually waiting for. So I'm going to pause and wait for it. Okay, so it has done its last trade. Okay, this is the last trade it has done. So right now it has hit the target and it's likely to stop trading. Okay, so you can see it has given me notification. The robot has been stopped It has done 3 trades for today. It is target, and that's the end of the bot. And you would see that it started around just 23 minutes ago. Okay, this is while trading goes outside, the goes outside normal signal, and that's it. So that's the end of the whole setup. God bless you. I'll see you another time.